S10's on the road right now. New exhaust. And just gonna romp it a little. That was 50. If you hear that noise in the background, that's my studded snow tires. I took off the lowering kit for the winter and took out the cold air intake because it was fucking with my EGR and it caused it to combust and like get the engine real hot, fuck up everything. So yeah, so I thought I'd just post something. Since I got this thing on the road, I've been fucking fixing it. So yeah. Short, quick video. Los Notes. That was 40. Yeah, so the exhaust we picked up at a junkyard. It's a full Flowmaster exhaust for I think it was like $35. And it's a side dump. So I'm gonna put a nice chrome tip on it to piss off diesel people and old people and everyone. So it's pretty loud in the cab. A lot louder than the Cherry Bomb exhaust, which sounded like straight Honda. So that wasn't acceptable. This is the setup. I have a chrome tip, like I said earlier, but so this is the cat. Welded that up. I should probably put my flash on, but and then here's the muffler. I gotta finish painting it for winter. But yeah, and it's stock height again because fucking two-wheel drive. But we'll wait till spring. But yeah, it's fucking loud. So I'll start this up.